friends. Today we are on the way to Durga Falls. This falls is located in Durga village near Karkala town in Udupi district of Karnataka state. It's a popular tourist attraction known for its scenic beauty, especially during the monsoon season. This falls is located at Durga village of Karkala taluk. Hence the falls is called as Durga Falls. It's about 5 to 6 kilometers from Karkala town. Please note that there are no shops or restaurants in the immediate vicinity, so plan to bring your food. The river flowing here is Swarna river. In total, you can likely plan for a visit of around 1 to 2 hours, including travel time from Karkala. Remember that the best time to visit to this waterfall is during the monsoon season.